Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things luxury, beauty, and skincare, and just pretty much designer things, luxury things, stuff that like I personally enjoy as an individual. You guys, I've been a little MIA, but that does not mean Miss Morgan Talks is done. My reign is not done, babe. I'm always gonna be here, so don't worry about that. The reason for this video is I'm going to unbox my latest Dior purchase. Oh my God. So you guys know, like, if you've been following me for a while, you would know that I love Dior and Chanel. Like, those are my two houses that I prefer, the fashion houses. I do like, who else do I like? I actually really like Prada. Prada's really nice too. They're just so chic. But like, when I think of like true femininity and true, like, I don't know, for me, it's Dior and Chanel, and I always buy Dior. I always think Dior. So anyway, I bought a pair of sneakers, and I owned a previous pair of Dior sneakers. They're the Dior IDs. Love them to death. They're so cute. I got so many compliments on them. People love them. I love them. And it's now, okay, so jeans, right? We're no longer in these super high-rise, skinny jeans tucked in under boots. I mean, I hope it doesn't go totally, because like, obviously, like, we need to wear our boots, but like, and you know, in fashion and not cover them, but like bootleg jeans are back, low rise jeans are back, bell bottoms are back, and they're my favorite. Like, I have a short torso, so like those high jeans on me looked really weird, but like a nice low rise moment is good for somebody with my body type. But anyway, I needed a new shoe, right? And I wanted a cool sneaker to wear, and I tried what else did I try on? Oh, I went into Louis Vuitton, and I looked at their sneakers. I'm not a big Louis Vuitton girl. I don't own anything by Louis Vuitton, but I always really admired their sneakers. But when I went in there, I was picking up their sneakers, and they were just so heavy, and my Dior IDs were so heavy. So, oh, and I didn't have any of my size, but my Dior IDs were also very heavy, and I wanted something lighter on my foot. So let's just open. I'm gonna show you guys what I chose. Oh my God, did I have a ball in there too, you guys? Oh, here's the bow. I swear they made the Dior logo bigger. It's satin and in gold. It says Dior. You guys know I love all of it. Like, it's just the best. So I'm gonna untie it. We're gonna keep this as a possible decoration for, I don't know, like a Christmas tree or something. I don't know, I'm not getting rid of it. It's original. Also, always, guys, I always like to tell you guys, keep original packing, keep receipts, keep bows, keep boxes, keep tissue paper that says Dior. Keep it all, because if you ever want to resell your luxury items, it's great to just have as much of the original as possible so you can get the most money back. Oh my God, look at the bow. Wait, oh my God, this is so beautiful. Oh my God, I love it. Here are the shoes. How beautiful, right? I love the dioroblique. I think it's so cute. I love that it's blue, and inside you could see it says, I still have tissue paper in here, but it says Dior Paris in here. You have Dior coming up the back. I mean, it's a very name brand screaming sneakers, and it says Dior here. And I love the bottoms, right? And I love that they're this navy blue, because I want to keep them clean. Like my Dior IDs, I really wore them really hard, and it shows. These I want to like take better care of them, so I'm not gonna wear them as much, but they're so okay. So when you first see these and you feel them, they're heavy. But they're really, when you try them on, they're so light on your feet and they feel incredible. And that's ultimately why I bought this shoe. I wasn't really interested in a sneaker in this style. I did want something more on the like Dior ID style, with the shell toe and everything. But like, they're just so heavy. And when you wear sneakers, the last thing you want to do is, feel like you're lugging around a heavy shoe, and that's just how I feel with the Dior IDs. That being said, I don't feel like the Dior ID is a bad sneaker. I love the Dior IDs. I still have them. They're so beautiful. They're all calfskin, whatever, but these are just really insanely beautiful. So they are a size 7. I'm a true 7 in these. So what would it be, a 37 in European style? They fit true to size, and let me tell you something, my foot is narrow, so I do have struggles with, a thicker sneaker, and that's an issue I was running in at Louis Vuitton too. I was trying on a couple things, and even their moccasins or their like Birkenstock looking shoes that like say Louis Vuitton, they were actually really nice. Honestly, those were nice, but the foot, the toe of the shoe, it's just so wide, and I'm like, my foot is narrow. So I had to go with something a little, I don't know, prettier. I really like these a lot, and I hope to have them forever. I was popping champagne in the bag. I was trying on like gold earrings. I was like gonna buy both, but then I had to reel it in and realize, no, Morgan, like it's my 35th birthday. So I was like, it's time to buy something. I don't know, it's kind of been my tradition. Like every birthday so far, I just buy myself a new pair of designer shoes, and I honestly love them. But anyway, that's why I chose these. I'll try them on for you in a different video. But I did go with the Dioroblique sneaker. I just thought the blue can go with a lot. And also, let me just say this. They match my Dior book tote. My book tote isn't the oblique, but it, style, but it's still, obviously the same vibe. And when I go on vacations in Europe, I know I sound like bougie as when I say that, but like when I went to Santorini, you guys don't understand, like this stuff was just second nature to them because it's made in Europe, all these items, and the US has to pay so much extra just to have these things. So when I went to Santorini, every woman, and you guys know I love glamorous women, I love it. I don't know what it is. I don't get jealous or anything weird like that. I just love them, and I just love bougie women who indulge in themselves and like take care of themselves unapologetically, and just like, I love to see a woman thrive, and I love to see a woman be so open about her fashion choices and her skincare choices and her hair choices and everything. I just like to see a woman thriving and being fabulous. I do. So there was so much of that in Santorini. So I said, I wish I brought, so I wore my Asics sneakers that I also love for casual wear. I wore them to Santorini, but literally every woman was wearing like Dior sneakers. And I was like, man, like I wish I had a cool pair of Dior sneakers to walk the airports in and, just be chic in. But I left the Dior IDs home because I can't lug a heavy sneaker like that all through Santorini, which by the way, is all stairs and heat. And you really have to put some work in. And with my fibromyalgia girl, I can't be like lugging around weights on my feet. But anyway, so these are gonna go chic together when I vacation. I know it's bougie, but you wanna know something? My first time in Europe was insane. And let me just be honest with you. I'm just gonna say this because I have to go back to Santorini now, because Santorini inspired these sneakers for me. Oh, if you're shopping, people spend a lot of money, I've learned in life, right? Even people who don't buy like this, who, are happy with having no designer whatsoever, but they still spend a lot of money on things. Like, for example, for me to go to Ocean City, Maryland for a week, like that's on the East Coast, and like a lot of people could drive to that beach, and it's fun. I grew up going to Ocean City, Maryland. It's 5 hours away, but it's very expensive. Some of those hotels are like $600 a night, right? And if you're going for the week, that's insane. And like sometimes I feel like people don't travel far out of comfort. Like they're comfortable with Ocean City, Maryland, and that's where they wish to vacation and whatever. But like sometimes those trips, by the time you do it all and pay for all the food and everything, you could probably go to Europe. I know that sounds a little crazy and disconnected, but like it's the truth. And you just have to kind of step out of your comfort zone and say, I want to learn about this other country. I don't want to go to Ocean City, Maryland this year. I want to go to Santorini. Why I'm talking about this in a sneaker video is just because I'm so inspired by things, and I'm so inspired by just trying to see the world and with the money that I have and enjoy the life that I have. And I want to see more people doing that. And like, don't be scared to buy the sneakers. Don't be scared to get on a plane and fly to Paris. Like, don't, because you're going to spend that same money just somewhere else. And I just want people to live their life to their fullest potential without outside influences dragging you down. And like, you can do this. Like, you can do this with your life. And I just want that for people. Like, I'm not jet setting every weekend. I can't afford to jet set every weekend. But what I could do is save money to maybe not go to the same beach I've been going to since I was 2 and go to Europe and learn something. And you know what? I am inspired by luxury. I think you manifest the things you want in life, and by surrounding yourself with things that you truly desire, I think it really influences your brain and how you work. And like, just if you're not into luxury, that's fine, but use the concept that I'm using to your hobby and your desires. But anyway, guys, this is the sneakers. I'm a true size 7. I love them. I'm wearing them today out to a winery with my husband, and that's it. I love you guys. Dior forever. I'll link these sneakers down below if I could find them, and I'll also link the Dior ID sneakers so you guys can see them also. I love you guys. Bye.